So, little Miss Annabelle has the hiccups. Watch, it's gonna make me a bad mom too. Watch. Just watch. She has hiccups because she needs to burp. See, she has a hard little tummy. She needs to burp. Cute little hiccups.
Okay, mommy.
Hi. Hi. Is Auntie burping you? She's standing up. She likes to stand. Her pediatrician said that's good.
Always, huh? You like to stand all the time.
You still had the hiccups, huh? Hiccups.
You have a big burp coming up, hopefully.
Ooh.
Oh.
Silly. Nah. You done? No more? No more. This girl, she's all crazy. Can you say bye, camera? Bye, boys. Bye, boys.